Hi everybody, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to permanently delete your X or Twitter account. So you wanna delete your account on your X or Twitter. So here's an easy way to do it. So there is no actually like direct or automatically delete. You just wanna wait 30 days. So you wanna go on to more, then settings and privacy. After that, you want to head on your account section. You want to deactivate your account. Let's deactivate my account. So after the activation, you can see right here that you can restore your account if you wanna restore it. But if it goes beyond 30 days, then your account will be deleted after 30 days. So that's how you delete your account. You need first to deactivate it and then wait for at least 30 days in order to permanently delete it. You cannot log in again or restore your account. So that's all.